Hey, what's up everybody? This is Mr. TECHFOX here and welcome to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install scrcpy on your macOS. If it helps, please subscribe to this channel and like the video. So if you want to control your phone with your macOS, then this tutorial is going to be very helpful for you. This is totally authentic and totally legal. So you can follow the tutorial. First of all, you have to press on your keyboard Command and space together. It will open the Spotlight search bar on your macOS. And now you have to type here terminal so that you can open it. And now we are opening it. After then, you have to press this text on the terminal. I will add the text in the description box of this video. Then you have to provide your password. Here you can see that I already have pasted it and I'm pressing on the enter or return button right now. And here you can see that it is asking for password. I'm just entering my password right now and pressing again the return or enter button. The password will not be visible, don't worry about it. Press again enter or return button to continue. And it will take some time to completely install Homebrew on your macOS. And after installing Homebrew, we are going to install scrcpy on our macOS so that we can control our phone. So here you can see that we already have installed Homebrew. Now we have to type here brew install scrcpy so that we can install it right now on our macOS. So here you can see that it will also download some files to be installed completely. Just wait a few seconds. Alright, we also have installed scrcpy on our macOS. Now just connect your phone with a cable with your laptop or MacBook and type scrcpy. It will ask some permission on your phone. Just press OK and it will view your phone. Now you can control your phone easily from your macOS using scrcpy tool. So that's pretty cool, pretty simple, pretty open source, awesome tool. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.